150 billion messages a day, and when you hit send, that first gray tick appears before you can look away from the screen. Here is every step that makes it happen. You type Priya dinner tonight and hit send. Priya's phone is in her bag on the subway offline. The challenge is not just speed, it is reliability across 3 billion phones, most of which are unreachable at any given moment. Every WhatsApp client holds a persistent socket open to a chat server, a long-lived connection that stays open as long as your phone is online. This lets the server push to you the instant a message arrives, with no polling needed. WhatsApp runs thousands of chat servers. Each user connects to one of them, and a central session registry records which server holds whose open connection right now. A lookup table readable in about 1 millisecond. You hit send. Your message travels up your open socket to your chat server. The first thing the server does, before acknowledging anything or routing anywhere, is write the message to a durable store on disk. Once that disk write confirms, the server sends an acknowledgement back to your phone. That is the one gray tick. It means WhatsApp now owns the message and is responsible for delivery. Your phone's job is done. Now your chat server needs to find Priya. It asks the session registry for her user ID. Which server is she connected to right now? That lookup takes about 1 millisecond, a single read from in-memory storage. The registry returns Priya's server address. Your server forwards the message to Priya's server, which pushes it down her open socket. Door-to-door on a good connection, the whole path takes under 50 milliseconds. Priya's phone sends a delivery acknowledgement back up to her server, which relays it to yours. Your phone gets that signal and flips to 2 gray ticks, delivered to her device, screen still off. When Priya opens the chat, her app signals back that she has seen it. Your phone receives that signal and flips both ticks blue. 4 steps, 2 colors. What if Priya is underground with no signal? The session registry shows no server assigned to her user ID. Your chat server does not fail. It already stored the message, so it just holds the delivery until she is back online. The message stays in the store tagged as undelivered. WhatsApp holds it for up to 30 days. This is why the 1 gray tick appears while Priya is still offline. Your side of the handshake is done. You are just waiting on hers. The moment Priya's phone reconnects, it opens a new socket to a chat server and registers her address in the session registry. Her server now knows exactly where she is. WhatsApp guarantees in-order delivery per sender. All 3 messages you sent while she was offline flushed to her phone in the order you sent them, each one triggering its own acknowledgement and flipping its own ticks. Groups change the scale entirely. A message to a group of 1,024 members is not one delivery, it is 1,024 separate pushes, each tracked independently, each going through the full lookup forward push path. Your chat server fires off 1,024 lookups to the session registry at once. Online members get a push within milliseconds. Offline members get their messages queued and flushed the moment they reconnect. The 2 gray ticks on a group message mean it reached every reachable member. Blue ticks mean every member opened the chat. Group ticks are slower for exactly that reason. You are waiting for the last person in the group. WhatsApp's chat servers run on Erlang, a language built for telecom switches, so one machine holds over 2 million open connections at once. That efficiency is legendary. Back in 2014, the app served 450 million users with just 32 engineers. Scaling out is painless. Each server is stateless, it holds open connections but stores nothing locally. All durable state is in the message store and the session registry. Adding a new server is just adding more socket capacity. The session registry is the one component that has to be everywhere at once. Every server reads and writes it on every connection event. WhatsApp runs it as a distributed in-memory system across data centers, so no single update becomes a bottleneck. Here is what most engineers miss. End-to-end encryption means the message store holds ciphertext that WhatsApp cannot read. That is the privacy win, but it also means the server cannot scan for spam at the message level, run AI over your history, or offer server-side search. The server is deliberately blind to content by design. Every gray and blue tick is a 4-step handshake across a system handling 150 billion messages a day. A persistent socket so the server can push, a write-first store so nothing is ever lost, and a 1 millisecond registry so any server on Earth can find Priya before you finish blinking.